This is the Liwin rechargeable clip-on fan. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get an instruction manual. They give you the USB cable to charge the fan. It's USB to micro USB, and of course you get the fan itself. So you can see this can swivel any which way you want, just like that. This can turn also. If you just leave it on a desk, you can, just like that. It's got nice rubber feet on it to keep it from, slipping. And a clip, like that. So you can clip it anywhere. Here I have it just clipped on a pipe. So that's one option. Or it can go on a handle of something, maybe a stroller or something like that. If you're one of those power walking moms with the stroller out there, you can have the fan blow at you as you walk and give the kids a ride. Or it can clip on the edge of a desk or a table, or just use your imagination with this piece of wood. But as you see, it clips on and holds tight. And also, it has nice rubber pads in there to help prevent it from marring the surface. Now this fan came to me discharged, so I've just plugged it in. This is just a cable I have going to one of these little plug-in jobbies here. It does include an 18650 battery right in here. So that's going to charge up, and you see there's a little light there to show that. Now the battery on this will charge up in about 2.5 hours, and the fan can run for 2 to 4 hours on a charge. It has 3 speeds, all selectable through the button. First is low speed, second is medium, and the third is high speed. So let's go ahead and power it on. And by the way, you can leave it plugged in and run the fan while it's charging. Actually, I missed the obvious. Indeed, there was a little plastic thing in there which I just thought to check. I pulled that out, and indeed now it will work off of the battery. So I'll get rid of the charger cable, and now I'll start it up. Okay, I'll press the button, and it'll start off on low, and then we'll do medium and high. I'm going to point it this way so it's not pointing directly at the camera, but I'll show you that after so you could hear the airflow. So there's low speed. Has a little bit of a rattle depending on exactly where you have it, but that's not really a problem. Now it's gone away. Press the button again. Medium speed. Oh yeah, indeed. This is like a nice little personal fan. And high. I'll put it so it's not... There we are. It vibrates on my little surface here, which is not level. So I'll just hold it. And off. And now I'll readjust the camera so you can hear the airflow. So here's low. Nice little airflow. Nothing to complain about. Medium. And high. On high, it definitely starts moving. Again, it's just vibrating there. I don't know if the camera picks it up because my surface is not level. If I had it clipped onto something, that wouldn't be a problem at all. And also another interesting thing, just for those interested, it makes a cool noise right before it starts up. Kind of has an interesting startup sound as well. So what would this be good for? Well, like I explained, if you're one of those power walking moms, it would be great like that. I have a fan similar to this that I keep in my kitchen. Why in the kitchen? Well, because of my recurring back problems, when I chop up vegetables and things like that, I like to sit at the table and do it there rather than stand at the counter like a lot of other people do. It's easier on my back that way. But one of the problems I do have in the kitchen is cutting up onions. For whatever reason, my eyes are super duper sensitive to onions. And as such, I find that if I keep this on the windowsill right there and turn it on and point it at the onions that I have on the cutting board, it blows away the fumes, and I can sit there and cut them up all day. And it's great that it's battery powered, so it's just right there. There's no cords because there's no outlet right nearby, so I can just turn it on whenever I need it. If you need more airflow, you can go medium or high. You can adjust it any which way that you need, just like that. You know, flip it around. It can go round and round if you want, just like that. So all around, a pretty nice fan from Liwin. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.